HPA, and we are at HiETA with a filming with a 360-degree camera. So why don't you come and join us? Here we are in the Bristol and Bath Science Park. We are here to actually interview some people about what they do here and see what they get up to. As you can see in there, that's the machine that uses it out to build out in layers and layers to create unique designs and products.
This is where we remove the powders. This machine here, this is a vibrating unit, and you put the build onto here into this case, and then you turn this. There's two sorts of vibration there to remove the powder.
Now we have the production room where they actually clear out the designs. Here we have some tables and some designs right there in the boxes. Here we have some other machines. Furnace down there for example.
So that we can actually use it. So this saw, we load it into the area, it just chops the part of the plate. Okay? This actually goes on a charging unit which sits on a lamppost. So for charging electric cars, what we do is to try and make sure that what we produced is what we expected and has the right properties. So what we tend to do is we section parts of the build, and we have test pieces that we, these things here, what we've done, we polish them up. So this will be turned up the other way, and it'll be polished on here, and then you can see what's happening with the inside of the metal. You know, if there's any voids or porosity, which is a measurement system which is, it's quite sort of odd to watch. It's like a robot in that we'd load a piece in here to measure, and this probe will come around, it will measure the part, so it will come and touch the part in all the different places of the features that it's got, and it will produce a model of it from that as well. It's quite weird to watch this thing work, because this works as a series of.
Here we're going to ask some questions now to a member of staff here, and so what is your name, what do you do here?
My name is Will, and I look after production, quality and health and safety in the facility.
Right, so what do you specialise in, and did this help in achieving your job?
I did an engineering degree a long time ago in mechanical engineering, and in that I studied about theories of things like thermodynamics and mechanical strength of materials and that sort of thing. And to some extent that has been helpful, but actually learning on the job has been much more helpful for me over the period of time that I've worked.
So would there be any work experience that you can suggest for us to do in the future?
Absolutely, yeah. There's a lot to learn here, and actually at every level we need assistance with things, and actually having young people involved in the process brings new ideas and new ways of doing things. So you could be involved in the engineering side, or you could be involved in the IT side, or any number of different things that we do. So marketing, for example, we've had a lot of people coming in at quite a young age that have been able to really make a difference here, particularly in the IT area. We've got a couple of apprentices upstairs who I think you're due to meet actually.
One more question, but this might be confidential, so are you working on anything at the moment?
Well, we mentioned that we're doing a part for motorsport, which I think that's as far as we can take it, but we're doing something in that area which is confidential, but actually is making a real difference to that vehicle, if you like. So that's something which I'd love to talk about more, but I can't.
We have another member of staff here, so what's your name, what do you do here?
So my name is Gastão. I'm a quality and inspection engineer. I deal a lot with measurements and then the treatment of that data with this tool here, which is the GOM scan. So it basically scans any object that you put in it, and then through that you actually end up measuring.
Experience that you can suggest for us?
Well, do whatever you guys find interesting and fun. That's basically the most important thing. I know you guys hear this a lot, but the importance of that is that when you do things that you actually like, you end up doing good things and not really mattering much about it, which is great.
Hi, what's your name and what do you do?
So my name is Niall Hatfield, and I am an analytical engineer, which kind of loosely means I do mathematics and analysis for HiETA technology.
Can you give us a clue what this place is?
Sure. So this is our main design office, and here are some examples of the various things that we make. So yeah, I guess some good examples of the kind of stuff we do is this is a pretty much the entire part end of a turbo machinery. So it's the combustor, the recuperator, and other type of technical components. But basically, the interesting thing about additive manufacturing is you can take all these different components that you usually have to manufacture separately and then assemble and just make them all in one integrated unit, which is kind of what you've got here. The vast majority of the rest of it are heat exchangers, which is pretty much what we've so I can take them one by one.
Yeah, that'd be good. We might have to be quite quick.
Sure. Let's get moving.
Why did you come here?
I think the reason for me coming here is an exciting business. It's very new. We're at the forefront of the technology. We're in the science park. It's just very exciting, kind of encouraged by stuff.
What did you get here?
So I probably took the slightly different route. I didn't do university. I went to college and I got a diploma in software development. And then a lot of it was just self-taught. So a lot of YouTube, a lot of the internet, and just basically researching things that kind of excited me.
And what do you do here?
So my name's Lois Capaldi and I'm the systems administrator for the company. So I look after all of their servers, all of their virtualization, some of their clouds as well.
What's your name and what do you do?
Name's George Hopkins. I'm the manufacturing
Alright, did you go to university?
Yeah, I studied at Toronto University doing mechanical engineering.
Right, good, thank you. Cheers. Cut.
Projects we've done with another company. And the idea is it's a 3D printed bike, well at least parts of it are, that is customized for you personally. Each individual node can be adjusted to produce the perfectly proportioned mountain bike for you.
So what's your name and what do you do?
My name is Desi Bacheva. I'm currently a customer validation lead at HiETA Technology. Basically testing, inspection, what happened to the part after it has been built. I'm responsible for that.
Cut. What's your favourite thing about working here?
What I love about HiETA is the dynamic environment. We discover and do new things every day, so it's very innovative and creative environment.
Go to university or go to college?
So I was finishing my PhD in something very different, in composite materials, and I just come across HiETA, and I contact one of the people here, and this is how I got into additive manufacturing. So nothing to do with metal additive manufacturing, but yeah, it's been great. 4 years now.
Let me have a check. It's there. Yeah, it's not too heavy, but it's
So are these used for like actual like jets?
so that's basically a part that's a stator because they're expensive and they have lots of things that you can cobble together to make one kind of sorry. This Bowman over jet.
Thanks HiETA, saw some cool things and I hope you enjoyed.